Yeah, today I'll be giving you information that would help you to move for those of you who wants to move. However, if you even if you don't want to move, this is an information that's helpful. So it's about the Japan Youth Summit because if you get exposed with this kind of program, it doesn't just give you the opportunity to move; it gives you the opportunity to also grow in your career and all of that to become a world decision maker. So I'll be telling you in a brief about the Japan Youth Summit, which is going to hold in Osaka, Japan in 2026, and this is going to be within March, okay, the month of March. So this is the right time if you want to go to Japan to attend this youth summit and also to work in Japan. Just to let you know is that Japan government have decided they are going to be employing about 1.2 million people to fill up the gap in the Japan labor market, and at the same time to support the population which is diminishing. So if you think that Japan is one of the places you're looking at, then this is good for you. And again, to tell you, Japan is a strong economy. It used to be the world's strongest economy in those days until they start getting hazard and what is it called, natural disaster. But Japan is still one of the strongest economy. And in fact, for someone like me, I think of like I want to be in place like Japan, where I can actually go out there, buy cars and send to Nigeria or send to some other countries and make side hustle and good money from side hustle. So anyway, coming back to it, the Japan Youth Summit is happening soon, and they are looking up to a lot of people. Okay, up to the age of 35, within 50 and 35 to attend. So you can actually look at this contact number and this email if you want to get make inquiries. But for the youth summit, there are two types. There are fully funded and partly funded. Before I go to that, the duration is 4 days and it's going to commence from May 11 to May 14, 2026. Okay. Yeah. So that means about 104 days from now. So I have all the time to apply to go apply for a visa and all of that. Okay. So there are two categories. The first one is self funded and the second one is fully funded. So there is a small token for registration fee. If you want to do this self-funded, you have to pay $15, and if it's a fully funded, you have to pay $10. Okay, and if you want to see details, you can actually click here. Yeah, so that is it. But look at about the program. Japan Youth Summit is an international program organized by Youth Break the Boundaries, dedicated to empowering young leaders to take an active role in shaping a sustainable future. As a prestigious platform, JYS brings together youth from across nations, cultures, and backgrounds under the spirit of innovation for tomorrow. At the heart of Summit lies the social project competition, where participants design and present innovative ideas or projects that aims to create real social impact. These projects are directly connected to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals with a primary focus on SDG 4 quality of education, SDG B or 8 rather, um, inclusive economic development, SDG 9 industry, innovation, and infrastructure, and SDG 11, which is sustainable cities and communities, and SDG 13, which is climate change. So these are number of things you can actually work on as a project. Okay, yeah. So with the 2026 theme, innovation beyond boundaries, building the future through collaboration, JYS continues to its mission of nurturing young change makers, celebrating diversity, and building global network that transcend borders. So, this is in summary what the program is all about. So, you can click here to register as fully funded, or you can click details to see more details on how you can register and more details about the course. For fully funded, it gives you the opportunity to go free of cost, including your boarding, your shared apartment, including return ticket, and a whole lot of things. So That's what makes it unique. Okay. Yeah. So we can see the program events. This is yeah, detailed activities. I want to be sure it is for past and present. We can see the details of the whole program, what you need to do. That will prepare you to allow you to be able to prepare for time, before going so that you can go with your innovative ideas because you might not have enough time to conceive all the ideas within the 4 days, but you can do that before going. And you can see, payments and also some questions and answers, and things you need to know, things you need to prepare and all that. So you can be checking out the website to see the announcements, to see the partners and sponsors. From the partner and sponsors, you can actually decide what kind of project you're going to write because I'm gonna say that the sponsors may be interested in certain projects. And for example, if Toyota is a sponsor, they might be interested in electric driven car that can actually be driven by a small battery, Yeah, so something like that you can just think about an innovative idea. So that is it about this program. Actually, if you don't want to move to Japan permanently, you could actually move. You could just go for this program for the sake of the benefits that comes with it. But then, like I've said earlier on, Japan is looking for 1,200,000 people within the next 2 years. That means that if you come to Japan, you have a very great opportunity to find a job. And I could also tell you to start preparing your Japan language at least level 5 and level 4 especially, which is like the second to the last level, because this might be one of the criteria when they start doing this 1,200. But beside that, you would actually go to Japan, find a job, and get sponsorship, and move to Japan permanently. But for the benefit also, it's great enough. Without moving to Japan, you could actually become a world class leader. You can get some sponsorship for your innovative idea that can actually change whom you are and change your world entirely. So that is another great thing which you may want to do. So if you think you want to register, you can actually click here to see details, and otherwise you can click register. But it's better to go for fully funded because fully funded is going to take care of your flight ticket, your visa, your support, and your accommodation, shared accommodation, all of that. But be aware that there are a few slots, so you just sign up. Once you sign up, to take you to where you start filling up your personality information, like they will ask you to write maybe 1,000 words why you think you can do this, why you think those kind of things. So you fill them up, and once you're done, you submit it. So that is how to enroll. But be aware that this is within 15 years to 35 years of age. If you're above 35, you might not be able to register for this program. So this is it about this program. I hope that you take the benefits that comes with it and enroll. If you are not able to do it, you might have to recommend some other people. Well, this way I'm gonna stop. I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day, chair. Bye.